Hi everyone, today I'll be making a plain bread using the Tesco bread maker. The ingredients we need are 400 gram of flour, 150 milliliter of water, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 6 gram of yeast. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients in sequence. Firstly, pour the water into the bread mixer. Add salt and sugar into the water. Now I'm going to pour the oil. Now I'm going to add the flour into the bread mixer container. Lastly, I'm going to add the yeast. With a simple setting, the bread maker is very easy to use. Now I'm going to switch on the bread maker. The whole process takes about 3 hours. Once the bread is ready, I'll show you the result. After 3 hours, the bread is ready. I've took out the bread loaf from the bread maker and cut it to slices. This is how it looks like.